Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I hope you are safe during this, event that we're going on here in the United States and all over the planet, right? Really hope that. I'll be praying for you guys. I'll be praying for your families. And again, let me know where you're watching from. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know if you're taking any precautions. Whatever you do, you want to share some comments, share the comments down below. Today I wanted to share a video that I was thinking about. You let me know the reasons why you ride. I guess in a way different reasons, but everybody got pretty much the same reasons, because driving a motorcycle is so much fun, and I'm going to talk about that. But again, some of you guys may not want to get into this just based on the simple fact that it could be dangerous as well, and that is a very good point, very understandable, because like I said many different times, this machine here will kill you, will really kill you. And again, you got to be very safe. Take your course, take it easy as you're riding. When you get more experience, you start getting or when you ride for a little bit longer, you start becoming a better rider. But again, it's a very dangerous machine, right? But at the same time, it's so much fun. I just love it. So again, what is your reason why you ride a motorcycle? Definitely put it down below. Whatever bike you ride, definitely put it down below. I mean, I got a 2005 Road King, but you know what? I like the Harleys, but I do like other bikes as well. And I'm going to be talking about some other bikes that I think are pretty cool in a near future video, right? So here's the thing. 3 reasons why I ride a motorcycle. First one, they're cheap. Really are. And not only they're cheap, but they're cheap to maintain. They're cheap to pay insurance. They're cheap to pay gas, all that stuff. Usually what you get for a motorcycle, really you're not going to get such a decent car, right? So again, you could buy a nice cruiser, maybe something like a Yamaha Stratoliner or a Roadliner. They're really nice, they're pretty big. I heard they're really comfortable, they have bags, all that stuff. And I seen it for about $4,000, right? And even less than that, you could buy a Road King, this one right here that I love. I'll pay $6,500 for, and it's pretty much my main riding force. Like I ride to work almost every single day, so that's just something that you got to think about. Again, they're very cheap. So, or let me take it back, maybe not that cheap, but for the money that you pay for a bike, you're not going to get a car that is probably going to be as reliable as the bike, right? For $4,000 you could get a really nice bike that is going to last you a long time. For $4,000 you're not going to get such an awesome car. You may have some issues with that. Again, recently I did a video where I was talking about saving about $320 a month, and that's something that I did while riding a motorcycle, just based on gas. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. But to give you an idea, I pay like $20 a month in insurance for this bike. Now, $20 a month, guys, that's like nothing, right? When it looks to my car and the car and the truck that I have, I pay hundreds of dollars on insurance. So again, insurance really cheap, motorcycle really cheap, gas really cheap. It gives you better mileage. I think I made my point that motorcycles are cheaper. All right, let's talk about point number 2, and it's going to be the community. I'm going to tell you right now, motorcycle communities are just fantastic, really fantastic. You can find so many great friends, so many great people riding motorcycles. Like, it's just amazing the amount of friends and the amount of people that you could get relationship with, that you could build friendships, that you could build like really amazing friendships. It's just really amazing the amount of people you can do that with. Now, there's I guess in a way there's a conflict or a debate between communities. You see a lot of Harley guys hanging around with the Harleys just because, the culture. You also see a lot of guys that ride sport bikes with sport bikes, right? Usually that's kind of how it goes, And I remember I used to have a Gixxer 750, and I used to ride with 2 guys, and they both had Gixxer. I think it was 750. One guy had a 600, and I'm going to tell you, I love those jixers, I really did, but nowadays I'm older, my back hurts. No one is gonna like bend over and like crouch into a crotch rocket like that no more. You know, I'm just too old. I'm about to be 40. I don't want to do that no more. But again, the community is fantastic. Like I say, usually people kind of relationship themselves like that, but not necessarily. You see many guys riding with many other people, nobody on the bike style, nobody on the bike situation, none of that stuff matters. So like I said, the community, it's just an amazing thing. Me personally, I really don't care what you ride. Usually I don't ride with too many people, but even when the moments that I have ride with people has been, you know, just cool guys. I'm more interested on you being a great person than what you write. You know, if you ride with me or we ride together, it's because, you know, you're just a good guy and I enjoy your company and things like that. Not so much because you have a specific bike or anything like that. This roundabout that they built here, it's kind of stupid. I don't know why they did it, but they did whatever they did. But again, you know, the community is great. You know, I love it, and building friendships and friends and all that, it's just something that I really enjoy to do. Now the last thing is this, guys. Check it out. I want you to look around. Look at this. It's so amazing. You know, people call it freedom. I don't even know if I call it freedom because, you know, I got the freedom to jump in my truck and go to places as well. But I call it more like getting connected. You know, like you could get connected with everything. Like I could feel the engine of the bike. You know, I could feel my gears going through. You know, I see the road right next to me. You know, I can see the wing is hitting me everywhere. So again, you know, witnessing and being so close to all this, to me, it's just so amazing. You know, again, I don't really know how to explain it. If you ride a motorcycle, you know what I'm saying. But I love being able to feel and the wind hitting me in my arms and all that. I just love that, being able to feel and kind of like almost to the point that you kind of touch it, you know, everything that is around you, you know, the entire God's creation, you know, like you could witness God creation. Like there's the trees that he created, you know, if you ride for whatever places or whatever location, you could see the mountains, you could see the hill. Like God's creation is so amazing, and when you're on a motorcycle, you really can see his creation so much better than, you know, riding a car, right? Sometimes you're riding a truck, like this guy in front of me, you know, obviously is inside the truck. Obviously he had the AC on. Obviously he's just, you know, riding very comfortable and all that, and he's not really experiencing anything around here. When you're on a motorcycle, you can experience everything. It's just so amazing. I just love it. So I guess it's a little bit of freedom or whatever it's called, but you know, just being able to see God's creation from a motorcycle, to me, it's just so much better than a car. So anyways, while you guys ride, put it down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below, and as always, guys, God is in control.